Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn your image to a simple one-line drawing. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I open a new project and already inserted the same image. The only thing what we need, go into the app and type 1, and now we need this application called OneLiner, and we need to select the image what we would like to turn to OneLiner, and we can choose between light and dark. And as you can see, we can even change the colors very easy. We can also change the threshold, the line width, and also with the skip. And this is how it works. So that's very simple and easy tool, and we just have to click on save drawing. And just would like to increase the size of this image a bit, and it's finally it's done. As you can see, this is a pretty simple application with a few settings, and we can create a very interesting, eye-catching project. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm. And let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you have any question or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know in the comment section and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.